Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the May Kinder Beauty box. So if you would like to see what's in it, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so today we are going to be unboxing the May Kinder Beauty box. And if you did not know what Kinder Beauty is, it is a monthly subscription box that is exclusively vegan and cruelty-free beauty products. And yeah, I guess we'll just get right into it. So when you open it up, it looks like this. You got the card on top, as is usually the case with any monthly subscription. And then it looks like this. And I guess we'll just start pulling stuff out. So the first thing that's right on top is this Mid-Flower Rosa Damascena? I don't know. I'm probably completely butchering that. Biocellulose Peel Mask. It looks like this. You guys know I love skincare, so I'm not mad about this. I love doing masks. I do masks a few times a week, so I'm not mad about that. And this says about it, with simple 100% natural ingredients, each luxurious mask is infused with 15 milliliters of Rosa Damascena water. Again, probably butchering that. Known for its rejuvenating qualities and concentrated hydration. With fibers 500 times thinner than skin tissue, the gel-like biocellulose material hugs your skin seamlessly to deliver the revitalizing rosewater deep into your skin. 400 years of ancient beauty secrets and techniques from Bulgaria allow the rose essence's 300 plus nutrients to keep your skin smooth and refreshed, and it retails for $15. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Scrub Vitamin A and Glycolic Acid Exfoliant. So it's just an exfoliating scrub. I mean, obviously it's a scrub. And what this says is exfoliate away dull, lifeless surface cells and cleanse away impurities with this pro-grade refining scrub formula with skin renewing vitamins A, purifying marine plant extracts, sloughing glycolic acid, apricot seed powder, and papaya. This formula reveals a healthy, smooth, younger looking complexion, and it retails for $13.75. Very excited for that. The next thing I'm pulling, it's Franklin and Whitman. Okay, so this is Franklin and Whitman Facial Serum, age-defying formula, deeply moisturizes and hydrates. It looks like this. Franklin and Whitman is an awesome skincare brand, so I'm very excited for this. And this says, Walnut Hill Facial Serum is a richly concentrated anti-aging face treatment designed to deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. This all-natural plant-based moisturizing serum contains no water, silicone, alcohol, or any other filler, featuring powerhouses such as organic Moroccan argan oil, pomegranate seed oil, and rosehip seed oil. This anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-packed serum helps to decrease environmental damage and works to rejuvenate your skin. And this retails for $39.95. I am extremely excited to give this a go because it's a good brand, guys. It's a really good brand. Okay, and then we have this Real Her I Am Invincible matte lipstick. This is inspired by 12 women with 12 unique and diverse backgrounds. The matte lipstick comes in 12 encouraging shades that allow you to wear your affirmation. Light in weight and high in pigment, our long-lasting formulation is infused with jojoba seed oil to create a matte finish that does not dry out on the lips. Note, you will receive one of the following 4 shades: I am the best, I am worthy, I am a leader, or I am amazing. And it retails for $18. So I got I Am Invincible. And let's see what that looks like. Okay, first of all, this packaging is beautiful. It's so sleek, and I've had other products from them before too, and it's so beautiful. Ooh, it's a nice nude. Okay. this is gonna quickly become a favorite. I can already tell this is the exact type of nude I go for. I'm very, very excited for this. And that went on so like creamy and smooth. I am very excited to play around with this. Alright, so the very last thing in this month's Kinder Beauty box is this little baby sponge. It says it's the mini air sponge, full coverage. Look at that, oh my goodness. And it says it's the Base Blue Cosmetics mini air sponge. This mini makeup sponge blender helps beauty enthusiasts create buildable coverage. Use the air sponge mini to flaunt your best makeup techniques and achieve a natural sheer finish effortlessly. When wet, this beauty tool swells in size to prevent absorption and product waste from foundations, liquids, powders, and creams when applied to the sponge. After contouring and blending like a pro, simply clean the ultra soft cosmetic applicator with soap and water and leave it to air dry. And it retails for $3.98, which is a steal compared to like other beauty sponges that are this size. So I just want to take it out of here and like feel it. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like this. I can already tell. Alright guys, so that is everything that was in the May Kinder Beauty box. I definitely feel like this box was a win. I'm excited for every single thing that I got, especially that Franklin and Whitman. Yeah, this facial serum. I'm so excited to try this. Like, so excited. And also this lipstick from Real Her, like, yes. This color, the formula, everything felt so incredible. I cannot wait to actually put it on my lips and like play with it and like, and yeah, like everything came out to over $90. So for $25 a month and you're getting over $90 a product, yeah, I highly recommend this. I've told you guys about this before. I highly recommend this box. I absolutely love it. I will have all of the details, of course, listed right down below as usual, as well as my link. It is an affiliate link, but don't feel obligated to use it if you don't want to, but if you do, thank you. I truly appreciate it. It helps this channel so much. So yeah, let me know if you receive Kinder Beauty boxes, and let me know what your favorite product was from this month's box. I can't decide what my favorite product is right now. It's kind of a tie between all of them. I'm very excited. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.